joining to my channel. Thanks for joining to my new video. Obviously, as you already saw through the title of the video and through the vision of my bags, I'm really obsessed with this type of shopping hauls videos. I really find something interesting. I really find something that I was not able to see on the store, or I just didn't know that it exists. So yeah, I really hope that you will like this video, and if it is like this, so let's get started. So I went out of Boots with two bags. They're like almost full, and I will start with this top. Like, this is boy's Halloween t-shirt. I bought this for my boy. He's 6 years old. This t-shirt is in the size 5'6", 110, 116 centimeters, and I took a look. I needed one size up, but I think that from Boots clothing, this is maybe the biggest size that you can find there. I'm not so sure. It was, I just took off the label, it was £6, and I think that the Boots clothing are always in offer, 1 for £6, 2 for £9, but because I just didn't need anything else, I bought just this super cute Mommy's Little Monster Halloween t-shirt. I'm not gonna put my shopping in order, like, I mean, I just got things from several different departments. I'm not gonna put them in order because I usually have no idea which of them in which bag is right now, so I'm just gonna start randomly. So the first thing that I bought, I actually restocked this shampoo. This is Aussie Calm the Freeze shampoo. This is my third, if I'm not wrong, second or third one of them, and I really like this shampoo. It's really good for my hair, and I haven't bought this for quite a long time. I used to use it maybe last year, and then just, I don't know what about your hair, but mine needs to change the products in every couple of months, because, for example, my hair is feeling super well with certain product, but then just in a couple of months I just stopped feeling this product good for my hair anymore. So just my hair is giving me a signal that I need to change the product. So yeah, because of this, I just decided to trust this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisture Deep Treatment. It was really good for my hair because my hair is curly and it's dry, and yeah, this is really a miracle mask. And they were, by the way, now in offer in Boots. I'm not so sure, were they 50% off, or I can't remember, but the price was about £2 something per each of them. Yeah, so let me go to my toothpaste. I restocked the kids' toothpaste, and because it's so often happening to me to forget to buy a toothpaste, so I decided to buy 3 of them and just to put them in my cupboard, because yeah, it's really annoying to take a look at the shampoo, at the toothpaste, at all the bathroom things and items. I mean, like every 2-3 weeks. I just prefer to go to do a kind of a bigger haul and just to restock everything in a cupboard. So yeah, this is just Sensodyne Pronomal from 6 to 12 years old. I restocked this. They're using this toothpaste right now, so I got 2 of them. And I got this Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection for kids. This is for 3+. And when we're still talking about kids, I just decided to try this Johnson's Bath and Wash, and this is Johnson Cotton Touch 2-in-1 Bath and Wash as well. I haven't tried them before, but because I used to use Johnson's a lot when my kids were a little bit younger, like in their babyish age. So yeah, but I'm really obsessed with the packages, you know, always the packages of the products, they are the ones that are selling the product. So yeah, I just really love them. I didn't even smell them, if I need to be honest. My boy is taking a shower right now, so he's waiting for me to give him one of them or maybe 2 of them. The price for these packs of 500 mils was about 250 to 49, I think, something like this, but they are discounted as well from 4 or 5 pounds, which seems to me a little bit too much. Then next thing that I will be happy to try as well, this is actually Pantene Defreeze and Eliminate Restructuring Mask Hair Biology series. This is maybe a new series from Pantene, or maybe I haven't seen it before. I have no idea. But of course, again, I just love the package. It was like in sale again, and I'm not sure what was the price. $2.99 if I'm not wrong, and it's supposed to be like again 50% discount, or discounted from 4 or 5 pounds to something like this, but it seems to me a good price for a hair mask. And it smells just so fresh. It says that this mask is for frizzy or dry and colored hair. And because my hair is exactly like this, so yeah, if you have used any of the products, and you're very welcome to leave me a comment down below and to share with me your opinion of some of them. Something else that I got is this big pack of day and night Lemsip Max Cold and Flu Relief capsules, because the winter season is almost knocking on the door, and like probably most of you, I just love to have a basic medicines in my cupboard for just in case. And I really love this brand, because I know there are lots of brands on the market that are giving you almost the same medicines, but they include a night version as well, and they are really so strong. They got 500 milligrams of paracetamol. I know that it's not too much, it's not 1,000 for example, but maybe the combination of the other active ingredients or anything else, I don't know what exactly, is the one that is making me feel so well. But yeah, I really like this brand, and especially the night ones. Something else from the medicine section is this nasal spray, just the basic one from Boots, oxymetazoline hydrochloride, blocked nose relief. And as I said, I just love to restock several of them in my medicine cupboard. So I got 3 packs of this, and I saw something new from Vicks, or it may be just new for me, I have no idea. It is oxymetazoline hydrochloride nasal spray solution, and blocks the nose for up to 12 hours for just in case. And because the expiry date is quite long, until 1st of 2022, and this is 3rd of 2022, so yeah, I just love to have them in my cupboard. Talking about the winter season and how to keep ourselves in good health, especially the kids, so because of this, I trust Boots Pharmaceuticals vitamins and all those supplements for quite a long time. But this year I just decided to buy a bigger pack instead of these small ones with kind of a gummy vitamins. So this is Kids Multivitamin Gummy Packs, supported healthy growth and development. This is for 3 years and up. It contains the recommended level of vitamin D, and this pack contains 30 mini packs, ideal for on the go with strawberry flavor. This pack this pack was £9, and it looks like this inside, with the small packs of 5 gummies inside. It is exactly the same like the plastic ones that contain 30 vitamins, but because I got 2 kids, I just decided that this is gonna be a little bit easier for me. So I'm moving to the hair care. I love this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoos. I'm using them mainly for my daughter, if I need to be honest. So they got lots of versions, lots of different aromas, This time I decided to buy this pinkish one in the Floral and Flirty Blush, and this one that I haven't tried before, Light and Breezy Fresh. This is a really good, probably this is one of my favorite dry shampoos, but as I told you, I'm using it mainly on my daughter's hair. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I don't know, it's just, I'm just restocking it every single time when I need to, but just trying a different sense of it. They got maybe more than 10 of them. Then another thing for my hair, and it's again a restock because I love this Pantene Superfood Full and Strong shampoo with Pro-V blend plus antioxidants plus lipids. I just love this shampoo. It is just working for my hair. But what else to tell you for a shampoo? It's just a shampoo, but it's really good. And it was discounted as well, by the way. I mean, it was on sale with this mask. So because of this, I decided just to restock them. And I don't know what about you, angels, but I'm really obsessed of having a couple of things more in my bathroom. I mean, when it's up to a shampoo, probably if I go now in my bathroom and count the shampoos, probably there are gonna be about 10 of them. Different shampoos, different brands, but I'm just obsessed of buying them. When I see something on sale, I said, okay, anyway, I'm gonna need it after 2-3 weeks or a month. Anyway, we have to continue washing our hairs, obviously. So because of this, I just love to try different brands, and maybe if you're interested, I can make a separate video of like what to buy or what not to buy, or maybe what I like the most for my hair type because it's curly and kind of dry and something like this. So yeah, if it's gonna be interesting for you, just leave me a comment down below. So one of the last things that I decided to try is this Soap and Glory, what is this? Facial wash, but there's, oh my gosh, there is so many descriptions here. I just even don't know where to start from. Actually, the label could be a little bit more simple. 3-in-1 daily detox vitamin C facial wash. Phew! Finally, I read it. Smooths, cleans, purifies for all skin types is this, and it is, how much is this? 350 mils. It was about £5 something, and I'm pretty sure that it was on sale as well. I mean, almost everything was on sale, discounted, etc. because I just love a good bargains. Yeah, so I have never tried anything from Soap and Glory. I was just talking to one of my colleagues this week, and she said that she bought a couple of things this week from them as well, and she said I really love this brand. So I was thinking, okay, why not to try it? I'm using now, as you can see in my previous video, for my nighttime care routine, I'm using the L'Oreal facial wash. But yeah, I'm just gonna be very happy to try this as well. And the very last thing that I got from there is this L'Oreal Men Expert Carbon Protect 4-in-1 Anti-Odor Respiration Bacteria Yellow Stains deodorant. Yeah, lots of descriptions, lots of things. Okay, it could be a little bit more simple as well. So yeah, I just restocked this for my husband, and this is one of the things that I love to keep some more of them, or a little bit more of them, in my bathroom. So my husband got almost all the colors from this L'Oreal Men Expert. I mean, he's got maybe 6 or 7 different deodorants, but because he ran out of this, the black one particularly, and it was discounted again to £2. Usually this deodorant is about $3.50 or $4, something like this, but it just seems to be too much. So yeah, if I just go somewhere and say discounted, usually Boots or Wilco, they are doing good discounts. Yeah, so I used to buy it. Let me check for something else. No, I think that I show you everything. So yeah, I just want to say a huge massive thanks for watching my video. I really hope that you like it. I really hope that you find it informative, and Yeah, if you have something that you would like to discuss with me, you're very welcome to leave me a comment down below. Please give me a huge thumbs up so I can continue making this type of content for you. If you have any suggestions, you're always very welcome to leave me a comment down below as well. Press the red subscribe button if you are not one of my subscribers. Lots of kisses, lots of hugs, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!